All right, so it's 11:15. The sun is officially up. Thank you for coming out today. Hello Team Iceland, good morning. I am very excited to be here with you today. I am headed over to my friend's house for a fun Icelandic holiday tradition called Laufabraud. This translates to leaf bread, and it's something that a lot of locals will do, getting their family together. It requires a very special preparation and whole process, which I'm gonna show you today. It's super fun. Let's head over and I'm gonna show you how it's done. And 3:30, sunset. Last step is eating the Laufabraud. Traditionally, this is done on December 25th. You can snack on them before then, but this is always eaten with the meal on December 25th. And you always have it with Hangikjot, or smoked lamb. It's also very common to put butter on the Laufabraud and then the side dish as the lamb. So let's make a plate. Okay, now we have our deliciousness. Again, normally if it's Christmas or December 25th in Iceland, then this plate is gonna be full with lots of other things, vegetables, potatoes, and everything like that. But for the sake of this video, this is what we're doing today. Let's give it a try. It's so thin, hence leaf bread, but it is delicious. It's like really, really crispy and so light, and obviously it was fried in oil, so it tastes delicious. And then with the creamy butter on there, it's so good. Oh, I love Hangikjot. I love it so much. Man, I'm telling you what, this is delicious. All right, friends, that is your traditional Icelandic Christmas video for you for the week. I hope you loved this video. Make sure to thumbs up if you did, and comment below what you thought was the most interesting part of this process, because I really enjoyed it this time, especially making this video for you. So I'll see you next week, and until then, Hangikjot.